1. 1973 Ford F-100 4-speed 4x4, $4,500, Boise, Idaho. This 1973 Ford F-100 is powered by a 390 V8 engine and 4-speed manual transmission. Priced at $4,500, it has 129,873 miles, odometer rolled over, and a clean title. The truck features new fuel system components, tires, and American racing wheels. It runs strong but will need brakes soon. A solid daily driver or restoration project. Two, 1975 GMC Silverado C10, $6,500, Monterey, California. This 1975 GMC Silverado C10 is powered by a 350 V8 engine and automatic transmission. Priced at $6,500, it has 157,282 miles and a clean title. The truck has a refreshed carburetor, new starter, and updated brakes. A reliable classic ready for the road. 3. 1979 Dodge D100 pickup, $5,000. This 1979 Dodge D100 is powered by a 318 V8 engine and automatic transmission. Priced at $5,000, it has 139,000 miles and a clean title. The truck features a new battery, water pump, and blower motor. A solid classic with a great bed condition. 4. 1975 Ford F-250 Highboy, $6,500, Saugle, Idaho. This 1975 Ford F-250 Highboy is powered by a 460 V8 engine and automatic transmission. Priced at $6,500, it has a rebuilt Edelbrock carburetor and straight headers. The body is rough, but the interior is clean. A loud, cool old truck ready for restoration. 5. 1976 Chevy C10 Long Bed, $4,850, Copperopolis, California. This 1976 Chevy C10 is powered by a 350 V8 engine and automatic transmission. Priced at $4,850, it has 100,000 miles, odometer rolled over, and a clean title. The truck runs well and passed smog last year. A great work truck or project. 6. 1972 GMC Sierra Custom 2500 Long Bed, $8,000, La Mirada, California. This 1972 GMC Sierra Custom 2500 is powered by an 8-cylinder engine and manual transmission. Priced at $8,000, it has 291,456 miles and a clean title. The engine and transmission were rebuilt, but the truck has been sitting idle for 2 years. A solid project for someone looking to restore a classic GMC. 7. 1974 Chevrolet C30, $9,000, Corrales, New Mexico. This 1974 Chevy C30 is powered by a 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission. Priced at $9,000, it has only 13,000 miles and a clean title. The truck runs well but shows cosmetic wear due to age. A low-mileage classic with great potential. 8. 1978 Ford F-250 Camper Special, $7,800, Colbert, Washington. This 1978 Ford F-250 Camper Special is powered by a 400 mem V8 engine and automatic transmission. Priced at $7,800, it has 44,010 miles, odometer rolled over, and a clean title. The truck has undergone major refurbishment, including a rebuilt engine, new brakes, and updated systems. A reliable classic ready for heavy-duty tasks. 9. 1973 Chevrolet K20 4x4, $8,000, Forest Grove, Oregon. This 1973 Chevy K20 is powered by a Blueprint 350 engine with Holley Sniper EFI. Priced at $8,000, it has 140,000 miles, odometer rolled over, and a clean title. The truck features a 4-inch suspension lift, 37-inch tires, and a winch. A rugged classic ready for adventure. 10. 1973 Chevy C20 Camper Special, $4,500, Nevada City, California. This 1973 Chevy C20 Camper Special is powered by a rebuilt 454 V8 engine and automatic transmission. Priced at $4,500, it has 84,000 miles and a clean title. The truck runs great and has original patina with some rust on the rocker panels. A solid classic for camping or daily use. 11. 1976 Ford F-150, $7,500, Lakewood, Colorado. This 1976 Ford F-150 is powered by a 360 V8 engine and manual transmission. Priced at $7,500, it has 250,000 miles and a clean title. The truck features original copper metallic paint, power steering, and a 9-inch rear differential. A solid classic ready for restoration. 12. 12. 1978 Chevrolet C20 pickup, $5,500, Gig Harbor, Washington. This 1978 Chevy C20 is powered by an 8-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. Priced at $5,500, it has 122,000 miles and a clean title. The truck has a new carburetor, headers, and exhaust. A reliable classic with minor rust typical for its age. 13. 1969 GMC Longhorn, $3,000, Portland, Oregon. This 1969 GMC Longhorn is powered by an 8-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. Priced at $3,000, it has 98,741 miles and a clean title. The truck has a straight body and new tires but runs with a miss. A great project for someone looking to restore a classic GMC. 14. 1989 Ford F-250 flatbed, won $1,800, Antioch, Washington. This 1989 Ford F-250 flatbed is powered by a 351 Vaudo V8 engine and automatic transmission. Priced at $1,800, it has 68,000 miles and a clean title. The truck runs and drives but needs some work to be roadworthy. A heavy-duty flatbed classic ready for restoration. 15. 1981 Chevy Love 4x4, $600, Lenoir, Idaho. This 1981 Chevy Love 4x4 is powered by a 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission. Priced at $600, it has 218,249 miles and a clean title. The truck has a recently repaired carburetor and motor mounts. A great project for someone looking for a compact classic.